The African painted wild dogs have a pack hunting rate of about 80%, and today's meal is a lone waterback. The chase begins and the prey runs wild. The wild dogs have it surrounded on all sides, giving it no room to escape. Upon seeing a water body nearby, the waterback, with no other choice, jumps into the water. Unknown to the prey, the water is a heavily infested crocodile pond. The wild dog, having starved for hours, decided to go into the water and is successful in catching the prey while ignoring all signs of the crocodile. After capturing a heavy meal, the wild dogs begin to feast on it. Unknown to them, a hungry crocodile approaches. Moving slowly and steady as it seeks to draw no attention to itself. The feast continues, and the wild dogs enjoy their meal. The crocodile suddenly appears in front of the wild dogs, which immediately scares them. Knowing how dangerous and strong the crocodile is, the wild dogs do not attempt to fight for their food. All the wild dogs can do is stare at the crocodile as it takes their prey into the water to feast on.